Hello friends, today we will derive quadratic formula. As we know that when we have to find the root of any quadratic equation, we split the middle term and then we find the root of quadratic equation. But many times we are unable to find root. There we use a quadratic formula, which is this: x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? But how this formula comes out, we will prove this, right? Let us start. Okay, first let us take a quadratic equation such as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, right, is equal to 0. Then let us divide this equation by a then a 0 upon a. There is no change in this equation, okay, because I divide by a the total term of this equation, right? So a and a will be cancelled out here. Then a square plus bx upon a plus then we add, if we add b upon 2a square, then minus b upon 2a square, obviously plus c upon a is equal to 0. When 0 is divided by any real number, then it will be 0, right? We can see that here there is no any change, okay, because first I plus b upon 2a square, then I minus b upon 2a square, okay. The equation, this equation and this equation is equal, right? So here we can see that a formula can be formed, okay. Here we can write 2 upon 2, okay. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, right? We can see that here is a formula, the formula is a plus b upon 2a. This formula has been formed, okay. We can see that a square plus b square plus 2a x as a, okay. We considered x as a, right? And 2a b is b upon 2a, right? Minus b square upon 2a, right? Plus c upon a is equal to 0, okay. I hope you understood up to here, right? Then we solve this further. X plus b upon 2a, okay, is equal to, if we transpose this and this in right hand side, then it will be plus b square upon 2a, okay, b square upon 2a square, right? Sorry, there is a mistake, okay. Then minus because it is plus in left hand side, then it will be minus in right hand side. C upon A is equal to 0, right? Then what will we do? First, x plus b upon 2a is equal to we can write this as 4a square. Why? Because when we square 2a, then 2 2s are 4, a into a square, right? We can write this in this form, okay? After squaring this, then we take 4a square as a common, right? Then 4a square, then the numerator will remain b, okay? B, then b square, I think b square, okay, b square minus a into a 1a will be cancelled out, then here 4a will remain, so 4ac, okay, 4ac, right? Let us erase this all. Then x plus b upon 2a square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, right? 4a square. If we remove square here in left hand side, then in the right hand side there is a root, okay? We applied root because we remove this square from here. If we remove square, then here a root is applied, right? Then x is equal to, when we transpose this into right hand side, it will be minus b upon 2a, right? Plus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, right? If we take out this from root, then it will be 2a. It will be 2a, right? 2a after taking out under root, it will the square root of 4 2, and square root of a square is a, right? Then what can we do? I solve this here, okay? X is equal to what can we do here? 2a and 2a will be common, right? 2a as a common, then minus b. Here keep in mind that when we find the square root of any number, then the number will plus and minus. Why? Because we can see that if we find out the root of 4, then it can be 2 or can be minus 2, right? So because the square of minus 2 is 4, so when we find the square root of any number, then it will be it can be a positive number or can be negative number, right? 2a, so we put plus minus here, also we put plus minus, right? Then 2a, then here also this b square minus 4ac, right? you can see that this formula has been proved. Okay, so complete this video here. Please like and subscribe this channel if you found this type of video helpful and useful. See you soon next time. Bye. All the best.